Alright, I just shot a video on how to stop your doorbell from chiming. There's another way to do it instead of going underneath the seat and unplug it. In some cars, you have a door chime on there, and it's like it's a button with a switch to it, and it goes right here to your door. I disconnected this, and it made the doorbell. I mean the seat belt stop beeping. So this is one step you take instead of going underneath the seat. I went underneath the seat and disconnected the seat belt line here. I disconnected the seat belt line and it still beeped. So I came out here to where this is hooked up at. Disconnect this, it's just one screw to hose this, one screw. Disconnect that and it stopped doing it. Try this the next time, anytime you have a problem with your seat belt, keep ringing.